Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change the background on your Lenovo laptop easily. So let's get started. First, go to your desktop screen. Now press the right button of your mouse anywhere on the desktop. A menu will appear on your screen. Now click on Personalize. After clicking on it, the settings window will open. Here, you will see different background pictures. For example, this is my current background. Now I want to select another picture. Simply click on any picture you like. And as you can see, the background has changed successfully. If you want to add your own saved picture as wallpaper, click on Browse Photos. Now select any picture from your computer and click on Choose Picture. And your saved picture will be set as the background. Now you can close the window by pressing the Close button. And that's it. This is how you can change the background on your Lenovo laptop easily. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials.